would like to talk about time signature. Time signature appears right here. In this music, it says 3/4. And so far, if you take a look at our book, the songs we learned say 4/4. I would like to talk about the difference. The bottom number means quarter note gets one count. In the future, sometimes you may see 8 on the bottom, something like this, or something like this, 2 on the bottom. 2 means half note gets one count. 8 means 8 note gets one count. So the counting system is going to be quite different between those 2, 8, and 4. And 4 now, you are not going to see anything but 4 because we want to have it simple for the beginners. So 4, always bottom note is going to be 4, and the quarter note gets one count. Top number means one measure has 3 counts, and first beat, every measure is going to be a little heavier, so it has a little accent. So the counting goes like this: 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. If it's 4/4, the top number is 4. That means one measure has 4 counts. And again, the downbeat, the first beat every measure is called downbeat. Downbeat is a little heavier. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I would like to take a look at 1, 2, 3 waltz. So every 3 count, it gets a little heavier. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. I am sure you can practice the rest of them by yourself.